finally seen bloodshot in my eyes, heart tore all to pieces. Well, I knew I had to leave. I knew I needed Jesus, 'cause I couldn't spend one more night sleeping with them demons. So I packed up that white Ford, headed north toward Highway 9. There were raindrops on my windshield, teardrops in my eyes. Didn't know which way to go, didn't even know how to pray. And even if I didn't know what words to say. But you love me, even then you still love me, even when I didn't love myself. I couldn't love myself. When I finally made it home, realized what I'd done. Some folks call me crazy, others said I got on drugs. And every friend I thought I had was nowhere to be found. And this life that I built up came crashing to the ground. But you love me, even then you still love me, even when I couldn't love myself. I didn't love myself. 'But you love me, even then you still love me, even when I couldn't love myself. I couldn't love myself. 'Cause he loves us. Oh,